This is what you'll receive when you order a nylon quick release for e-collar. You'll get a 3/4 inch nylon strap that is 29 inches long. The female end of the side release buckle will be sewn on. Here is the male end. You'll also get a keeper and a 3-bar slide. Your collar should look something like this. This is an e-collar technology. It uses a 3/4 inch biothane strap with multiple holes in it for adjusting. But you're going to the quick release, so you're going to remove this off of your receiver. Once you have the biothane strap removed, you now have your receiver, and next I'll show you how to put on the quick release. First, you're going to take the nylon strap and weave it through the receiver collar. Most of them are pretty much the same. So it looks like this. You might have to shorten it up if your dog has a smaller neck. So it looks like this. Okay, I zoomed in the camera so you could see closely on what we do next. This is where we left off. We have the nylon strap weaved through the receiver collar. Next, we're going to put on this 3-bar slide. It goes like this. You weave it through one opening, then bring it back through the other side. Now I slide this down closer to the receiver collar. The next part, I'm going to put on the keeper. The keeper has a concave side and a flat side. The concave side faces the dog's neck. It goes through just like this. You slide it down, and then you're going to grab the male end of the side release buckle, and we're going to go through the slot that's closest to the male end of the buckle. At this point, I would get a measurement around the dog's neck and determine how tight it needs to be. If I'm right here, then I would take this off of the dog, and then you're going to come back and finish putting the strap through the keeper and the 3-bar slide. Now I'm going to move the 3-bar slide down closer to the receiver. I'm going to slide down the keeper, and now I'm going to take the remaining strap and put it through the other slot that's on the buckle. Next, I'm going to go through the keeper. Sometimes you might have a tough time pushing this through. If you do, use a butter knife and just kind of help push through. And then once you're through the keeper, you pull the rest of the material through. So it looks like this. Then you're going to go back through the 3-bar slide. Just like that. And through the other side. And pull that tight. And it should look like this when you're finished. Keeper keeps the material from separating here. The 3-bar slide keeps it tight. Now, if you have, if you're going to use this for multiple dogs, you can leave the long strap here so it'll fit other neck sizes. You could just double this back. I use black tape and put that around the strap so it doesn't stick off and make the dog distracted by it. If you're going to use it just for one dog, I would take a pair of scissors and cut it right about here, right where the receiver collar is. And then you're going to take it outside with a lighter or a match, and you're going to burn the end. We use an electric knife, which gives it a cut and seals it at the same time. You have to seal it or else it frays all the way back. So that's it. That's the nylon quick release for an e-collar. Any questions? Get in touch.